Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how can you allow pop-ups on iPad. Or you can turn off the pop-up blocker on iPad. How can you do that? So you just need to guys make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video for more iPad tutorials. So first of all guys, you need to open your Safari app. Let's open it, and now you just need to guys tap on this option called, where is the options, other options. So you just need to guys tap on settings, or you can go to your settings first instead of going the application. Go to your settings. Now go inside the apps. Go tap on this app option from the bottom and go to your Safari application. Yeah, here's the Safari, and you just need to guys to allow pop-ups. You just need to make sure to disable this block pop-ups. Once you disable this block pop-ups, now you will be able to see your pop-ups. So yeah, this is how you can do it guys. Subscribe for more video guys. Till then.